president. Look, the new president. Philippines.
That looks like my mom's friend, Annabelle. The other Annabelle. Because there's two Annabelles. The one who lives in Texas and the one who lives here, Miami.
M is for?
Monkey.
Monkey.
Okay.
Lower that, David, please.
E. No.
Show it properly.
This one? F.
Yeah. Oh, okay. He said F is for?
Dad, have I tried jelly bean food
G.
G is for?
Goat.
Goat.
Zebra.
Zebra! Z as in zebra. Great job.
Zebra.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Zebra.
Yeah, zebra. Look at the hands, Dara.
I.
I's for?
Ice
Ice cream.
L.
L is for?
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Gobble.
W is for?
Winner.
Window or wagon.
D.
T is for?
Good.
Wow.
Good.
Look cat.
Ah, see? Cat. Okay.
Gay.
No, man.
K as in?
Good.
Kite.
Shark that swim mid
N.
N is for? Daryl, N is for?
Now.
Nest. Good job.
Whoops.
What is
B.
V is for? B is for? Ball.
What's this? Next. U.
U is for?
Bella.
Umbrella.
Storm. Rain, snow
It
showers.
B.
What is that?
Me.
V as in no. What is that?
Y. U.
Y is for?
U.
Look at the hands, Daryl. Y is for?
Y. Yellow.
Yo-yo. Good job.
What's this? E. E. Oops.
E is for?
There.
Daryl, E is for?
There.
Elephant.
And what's this? Red. And what's this? S.
S is for?
Dad.
Sun. Good job.
Uh-oh. Dad. Abu.